Hello! Today I'm going to be showing you how to access our various how-to resources on our website. First, visit our website, borganoverstrom.com. From there, you should find yourself at our homepage where we should be able to find our support tools. From our main homepage, you should see 6 options across the top of the screen. Our tap systems, water dispensers, about, support, store, and distributor zone. Now, for the purposes of this, we're going to be visiting our support page. Simply under the support tab, you can click on how-to videos and that will take you to a page full of our current how-to tutorials. This will list all of the how-to videos we currently have for all of our available appliances. Simply click play and the video will begin. You will notice that some of our videos have a lock in the top left-hand corner of the screen. That is for our distributors, and if you are one of our current distributors, only you have the password to access these videos. This is to ensure that only selected trained personnel can access the advanced tools on our how-to page. Otherwise, all of our how-to videos are available here. You can filter them further through the filter on the left-hand side if you're looking for a how-to video specifically on the unit that you have. And that is it. That's how you access all of our how-to information on our website. Our how-to videos are in fact actually available on YouTube as well. Scrolling to the bottom of our webpage, you will find our social channel, where you will find links for our various different social outlets, including YouTube. Clicking on this YouTube link will take you directly to our channel, where you can find a whole host of different videos. These how-to tutorials are available in our videos tab, as well as in an organized playlist if you scroll down on our YouTube channel. And again, here you will find any and all available how-to videos. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any more information or queries, please do visit our website, borganoverstrom.com, for more information. Thank you.